Unraveling the phrase, leg kick, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, leg kick. This might sound straightforward, but it's used in various contexts which we'll demystify today. Stay tuned to learn not just its meaning, but also how to use it in your daily conversations. First, let's break down the phrase. Leg refers to the part of the body extending from the hip to the ankle, and a kick is a swift, forceful strike or movement with the leg or foot. When combined, leg kick typically refers to an action where the leg is swiftly raised and then forcefully thrust out or down. Sports and martial arts. In sports, especially in martial arts like karate, taekwondo, or MMA, a leg kick is a common move. It's a tactical strike intended to weaken an opponent. For example, the fighter used a powerful leg kick to destabilize his opponent. Dancing. In dance, a leg kick can be a choreographed move where a dancer lifts and kicks their leg in a rhythm. For instance, the dance routine featured a series of high leg kicks. Playful or casual context. Sometimes, leg kick is used more casually, perhaps in a playful scenario or to describe a spontaneous action, like, the child gave a joyful leg kick when she heard the good news. Now let's see how to incorporate leg kick into everyday English. Remember, the context determines the meaning. 1. Sports commentary. That was an impressive leg kick by the defender, blocking the striker's advance. 2. Describing a dance. The performer's synchronized leg kicks were the highlight of the show. 3. Casual conversation. He did a little leg kick out of excitement when he found out he won the ticket. Leg kick might seem like a simple phrase, but as we've seen, it's versatile and used in various contexts. Whether in sports, dancing, or everyday excitement, it adds dynamic flavor to our language. We hope this exploration helps you understand and use leg kick more confidently in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!